Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Having trouble following people on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix it. Let's go. There are several possible reasons why you can't follow some users on Instagram. First, you probably have reached the limit of 7,500 people you can follow. If so, go to your Instagram profile dashboard and unfollow some people from your following list. Second, you may have followed too many people in a short amount of time and triggered Instagram's spam detection. Make sure to wait for a few hours or days before following more people and avoid spamming. Lastly, the issue could also be caused by a poor internet connection or a bug in the app that prevents you from following Instagram users. To resolve possible internet connection issues, you can switch to cellular data. When you switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa, your device disconnects from one network and connects to the other. During this transition, your device will be assigned a new IP address based on the type of network it's currently connected to, Wi-Fi or cellular data. To avoid any issues, you should always check your IP address before and after switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data and update it if necessary. You can also review Instagram's rules and policies to make sure your account complies with them. From your Instagram profile, go to Settings and Privacy and browse to Find Help. Here, you're going to type in the issue of "Why can't I follow accounts?" Select the appropriate article from the search results and review the policy. Another possible reason is perhaps you haven't updated the Instagram application on your device yet. Updating your app ensures that you always have the latest features, bug fixes, and security updates. To get started, open the App Store from your iPhone. Tap on your profile in the upper right corner to access your account. Scroll down, and here you should see a list of apps that have been updated recently. If an update is available, locate the specific application and click the Update button to update it manually. Although rarely the case, the error could also be caused by a certain software glitch on your device. Usually, if you are experiencing glitches or errors with your iPhone, the common solution is to perform a force restart. Keep in mind though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. By following these tips, you should be able to fix the issue and follow on Instagram again. If none of these solutions work, you can contact Instagram's support team and report the problem. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.